Add this to your anthurium, and you'll see the difference instantly. This homemade fertilizer will make your flowers grow like crazy, even if you thought they were beyond saving. All you need is something from your kitchen to create an amazing mixture that brings your plant back to life. Take one large red onion and cut it in half. There's more power in it than you might expect. Chop it into smaller pieces. No need to peel. Put everything into a blender and add just enough water to cover the onion. Blend until smooth. Now grab a strainer and strain the mixture. We only want the liquid. You can use a spoon to help squeeze out as much juice as possible. Pour the liquid into a bottle and store it in a cool, dark place. When you're ready to use it, mix about 1/4 cup of the onion juice with 2 cups of water. Stir well. Now simply water your anthurium with it. This natural fertilizer gives the plant a real energy boost. The leaves become more vibrant, and new shoots appear faster than you'd expect. Try it. Your anthurium will thank you.